Alright, so the Twix didn't work, but I got enough change to go for the corn nuts, and maybe the corn nuts will carry it down the rest of the way. So that's what I'm going to try to do right now. Alright, it's E7, E7. Oh my gosh. Can you freaking believe that? It's dangling off the edge, being held by the Doritos and the beef jerky, and the Twix didn't work. Twix isn't even supporting it. I don't know how the hell. This is ridiculous. Well, yeah, I don't have enough change for another try, but looks like I'm gonna have to stick with the stupid Twix.